Hey everybody, I'm back. It's Mr. Marcus Auto Body. Check it out. I have a brand new page for you guys featuring all Mercedes-Benz. I'm going to be showing you guys some tips, tricks, and show you how it's done using OEM parts and OEM procedures. Gonna have some metal work to show you. Check it out. I'll be showing you guys how we fix Benzes. Mud work to show you guys. Same great work. Check it out. All new cars. Bigger select jobs where we do some frame pulling. We the best. Check it out. Only Benz Repair.